Hey guys, it's Ashley. So today's video I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for February. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is basically a subscription box for makeup where you get like 4 to 5 full-size products a month just for $21, which is kind of expensive, but like you're also getting full-size products and you're getting them at good brands. So yeah, hopefully that kind of explained what Boxycharm is. But I'm going to be doing the unboxing for February, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So the theme for this month was Galaxy Glow, which I thought was really cool and I was so excited for. So the first product is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. I'm so excited for this. This retails for $39.99 and this entire box is $21. So like, is that not such a good deal? So the packaging of it is holographic. Once you take it out of here, it's still holographic. I'm obsessed. So again, this is by Naked Cosmetics. I don't think I have anything from them. Oh wait, no, I do have one thing. I have like a loose eyeshadow, but that's really it. And then this is what the colors look like. I really hope that I'm showing them to you. I'll try to put some swatches on the screen somewhere. But these are such pretty colors. This is obviously more of a bright highlighter palette, though the colors do look very like pastel to me, which I like. This reminds me of my Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia. This is what they look like next to each other. I don't know, I feel like they're pretty similar. This one's more bright colors, I think, and this one looks more pastel-y to me. I'm not going to be trying on any of the products in this box just because I'll be doing videos on them anyway, like I'm doing a first impression soon and everything, which will probably be up after this video. I think, I don't know. But anyways, that's why I'm not going to be trying on anything because you'll see this all in videos on Instagram or on here anyway. I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video that each box gets a Cover FX 20% off coupon code. So if you're interested in buying anything from Cover FX and you have Boxycharm, they will be sending you one of these like coupon codes, I think. I'm pretty sure everyone gets one. I think. Going in order, the next thing is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This retails for $28. So I've heard about these. I think that they can be either like a highlighter, like a liquid highlighter, a lipstick gloss thingy, or they can be like an eyeshadow, which I think is kind of cool, but it's also kind of weird. I don't know. So this is kind of like a pinky color. I don't know if it's a duochrome or not. It kind of like reflects purple almost. This is in the shade Amethyst. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty color. It's obviously something that I probably wouldn't wear like every day, but I know I'll use it for looks that I do on Instagram and here. I'm also really excited to have something else from Cover FX because I got a setting spray in one of my other boxes and I really like it, so I'm excited to try something else out from this brand. Next we have the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. This retails for $21. So it just looks like a black pencil liner. It says it's in the shade Jet Black, which I'm really excited about because I've been needing a black pencil liner. I feel like every time I get like an eyeliner in one of my boxes it's like blue or green or something like that, so I finally got a black one. I'll go ahead and swatch it on my hand really quickly. Wow, it's really creamy, really pigmented, and it's like really creamy when it goes on. Usually when I have a pencil liner it's like really stiff and it just doesn't work. It just like pokes your eye out. So I'm really glad that this one is so creamy. I'll definitely be using this a ton. Now this I'm a little bit concerned about. This is the Pure Lip Plumping Lip Exfoliator. This retails for $17. I don't know how I feel about like lip plumping things. They supposedly burn your lips. I did already try this once because I just couldn't resist. I'm like, you know what, I just want to see what it feels like, and I don't really like it that much, to be honest. It kind of burns, which I know it's supposed to, but I didn't see any difference in my lips. Maybe I just didn't leave it on long enough, but this is just what it actually looks like. It just looks like a lip balm, but like when you put it on it kind of feels exfoliating and then it starts to like tingle. I will use it once in a while, but I'm not really sure if I like it all that much. This last thing I am the most excited for. This is the Crown Pro Trio Brush Set. This retails for $29.99. So it is a set of 3 brushes in the most like pretty packaging. They have white bases and then it's kind of like a gradient ombre, like white to pink. So the tips of the brushes are pink, which I think is just so cute. I actually really like crown brushes. I've gotten a few in my Ipsy and Boxycharm before and I use them all the time. It's also really nice how there's like 3 brushes here. Like that is a lot for a subscription box. This first brush I'll probably use to set under my eyes because I feel like it's gonna fit, yeah, like fits perfectly under my eyes. I'll use this one for like bronzer or blush or something like that because I feel like it kind of like fits right there perfectly. And this brush, it's kind of like a flat kind of brush. I'll probably use this to pack on eyeshadow or like put like a shimmer there, you know. I feel like all these brushes I will definitely use, and I've been in desperate need of new brushes. Okay, so I'm adding up everything on the calculator because I cannot do math. Okay, so the total value of this box came out to $135.98. That is insane. This box only costs $21. These are all full size. Alright guys, so that was the video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I think that this month's box was really good. I love the theme Galaxy Glow. I thought that was really cool. I'll definitely use everything in here. It was more like bold or adventurous. Like the highlighter palette is a little more colorful, and then that cover effects thing was like something that you probably don't wear every single day. But I think this box was a really cool box and I liked it anyway. I'll try to leave a link down below to their website or like somewhere where you can sign up. I don't even know how to do that, but I'll try to leave one down below. So if you guys are interested, you can go sign up. But yeah, as I mentioned in the video earlier, I will be trying all these products in upcoming videos for sure, so like you will be seeing them anyway. Make sure you go follow me on my Instagram. It'll be somewhere on the screen and it'll always be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.